Health is a well. Time once lost, never return. Speak less, listen more. Respect is earned, not demanded. Be grateful always. Family is priority. Money cannot buy happiness. Forgive life in peace. Do not waste energy on negativity. True friends are real. Invest in your health. Pray for inner peace. Do not compare your life. Happiness is in simplicity. Learn to say no. Age brings wisdom. Avoid unnecessary stress. Save money for future. Enjoy small moments. Never stop learning. Good habits shape destiny. Walk daily for health. Do not chase perfection. Be kind always. Control anger. Respect parents. Trust Allah's plan. Avoid gossip. Stay humble. Take care of mental health. Learn patience. Never give up. Focus on present. Sleep well. Be honest. Avoid regret. Share knowledge. Eat healthy food. Keep promise. Be thankful for what you have. Stop worrying too much. Focus on solution, not problem. Help other, smile love one. Learn from mistake. Protect your dignity. Focus on quality, not quantity. Value silence. Be consistent. Love yourself. Do not fear again. Learn new skill. Avoid argument. Respect others' opinion. Think positive. Be a role model. Travel when possible. Read books. Focus on solution. Spend time Will children be open minded? Stay calm in crisis. Do not waste time online. Be disciplined. Never lie. Respect your body. Forgive yourself. Do not depend others. Build strong fight. Love nature. Stay away from jealousy. Do not waste food. Value relationships. Stay positive in failure. Work hard quietly. Speak truth with kindness. Be independent. Stay away from greed. Appreciate small effort. Do not judge others. Save energy. Plan your future. Do not live in past. Control your ego. Stay motivated. Respect your spouse. Be loyal. Spend time with elders. Learn to adapt. Stay away from laziness. Use water wisely. Take care of environment. Be humble in success. Stay hopeful. Love unconditionally. Live every day with gratitude. Life for progress, not for perfection. Gratitude turns little into enough. Stop explaining. Start living. Peace is the highest hunger.